how to add Acuity Scheduling to Squarespace Checkout. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a calendar that is or could be integrated or connected to Squarespace Scheduling or Acuity Scheduling into your Squarespace website or store. So we're going to be very, let's say, straight to the point process for here. We can go ahead and create an appointment type and etc. And after that, after we have set up the scheduling, we can go ahead and head over the product and services. Then we are going to add a product. So here I'm going to add maybe a package or consulting package. And this consulting package is going to be, for example, for a consultation. For example, we are going to have consultation like that. We're going to set up the description of it, or we're going to have here the button book, for example. Now we're going to set up the trick, which is going to be adding a form for that specific, as you can see here, service or consultation. We are going to have here schedule like that. We're going to add a form field. We can go ahead and add a name, for example, name. Like this. Then we are going to add another field, which is going to be here the date. Now we're going to add the date, and it is going to be the book a date, and we are going to add set up a time, book, for example, a time between, for example, like that, PM, let's say here 1 PM to 5 PM, like that. And we are going to make it as required for also for this one. I'm going to make them required. So that is going to be the case. So I have added, as you can see here, the schedule for the booking, and then we have set up, I can go ahead and add the images, pricing, and etc. So after that, I can go ahead and synchronize this or the, let's say here, the forms that I am going to receive within my scheduling. So we are going to head over the scheduling, and then we are going to find it right here. So we are going to set up the appointments into here, and then we're going to be good to go. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.